This is a 20 years old G+1 house we renovated that is located in Nelmangla, Bangalore. Hello everyone, welcome to Inkstone Infra, your home renovation expert in Bangalore. I'm Siddharth, and in this video I'm going to take you through this amazing house transformation from an old space to a modern functional space. The spacious living room which you are seeing now was not like this before renovation. Living room extension. We extended the living room horizontally by taking in the available space of parking and old kitchen. We constructed a new kitchen in the southeast corner, and we have designed a fully functional modular kitchen. It has a base unit, overhead units and high volume lofts. The best part of this kitchen is it does not have any compromised space in the overhead unit, as we constructed the kitchen accordingly by considering the space planning. The window does not disturb the chimney placement, neither the water purifier placement. The cabinets are designed to meet the requirements of an Indian kitchen. Coming to the Vastu Correction, we have demolished the old puja unit that was on the south wall and we have constructed a new puja unit towards the east. The extended living room now accommodates a modern TV unit that reflects style and completed the space planning. Wardrobes with high volume lofts and a dresser completes the interiors of the bedroom on the ground floor. Moving on to the first floor. The existing bedroom is extended horizontally 4 feet through slab extension. The wardrobes are custom designed and it also accommodates study unit to ease our clients' work from home requirement. So, this is about the horizontal extension in home renovation. For old home renovation in Bangalore, call us today. For more videos on home renovation, architecture construction and interior design, please subscribe to our channel Inkstone Infra. Thank you.